Give me 90 seconds, and I'm going to show you why you should never use one of these again.
Hello everybody, on today's video we have this RunStar Smart Scale. This device is going to have you throwing away your old. Watch this. This thing packs a punch with 8 electrodes and dual frequency technology for accurate upper and lower body readings, and it is so easy to use. All you have to do is make sure to step on the scale barefoot, grab the handle, and hold for just a few seconds. It's that easy, and you will have the most accurate results you've ever had. This thing also syncs with its own StarFit app and connects to Apple Health, Fitbit, and more. It tracks 28 different body metrics to get a complete health overview in just seconds. And here's some of the items it tracks: BMI, muscle rate, BMR, protein mass, visceral fat, water weight, body age, body fat, skeletal muscle, and much, much more. This thing has it all. You can review your health trends by day, week, or by month. You can choose that. And guess what? It charges with USB-C, no problem. Also has a reset button right on the side. Has a full color TFT display, so you can instantly view 7 key data points on the handle, no problem. Whether you're focused on weight loss, muscle gain, or simply improving your overall wellness, you're going to want to get rid of that old scale, step into 2025 with the RunStar Smart Scale. Thanks for watching.